because we talked about the 5 lanes that where money is flowing into AI automation, and I wanted to give you perspective and you understand that this is happening. It's not something that these just talking about. This is happening. And yes, 1,000,000% AI automation is about to take over the world. Period. Okay. But you can be one to create AI, to take AI, create it responsibly. Number one, that's something I'm really passionate about. You creating AI responsibly. You can be the one to make sure that you set a legacy for your family for centuries to come. This is an opportunity for you to do that. This is the AI gold rush that they're talking about. And so there are 4 different ways you can build AI today, actually rather easily. It's nothing like building a traditional software in the past. And I was building traditional software in the past. So I'm telling you, this is so much easier. So pathway number 1 is AI agent workers. Right now, you have a staffing agency. So it makes so much sense that AI does the complete job function, not a tool, but as a digital employee. You offer humans, you offer AI digital employees, and you might in the future offer robots. I don't know how you're going to do that, but what have you. Pathway number 2, AI powered agency. So right now you are a service-based business if you're a staffing agency, but right now you're doing 100% of the work manually. With an AI powered agency, you basically run a service business where AI does 80% of the delivery. You do the strategy and the oversight from so it's you're still a service-based business. And I'll just give you perspective, like from like if you did an AI staffing agency, right? An AI powered staffing agency, all of your sourcing would be done through AI. All of your recruiting, your appointments, all of that done via AI. Your credentialing done via AI. Everything would be done via, I would say everything, but I would say core things would be done via AI. And then the less core things, you would still manage and do, and you still might have 1, 2, maybe even 5 people on staff. I was watching an interview and they were talking about with the AI gold rush, we're going to see our first set of trillionaires, but they're going to be in billionaires that are going to be 1 and 2 man companies. That's very interesting. Pathway number 3 is a full stack AI company. And this is where you basically replace entire industries. So this is where you could, in the example of staffing, you would have a full stack AI company that does the entire staffing function and there is no humans involved. You're selling, it's fully done by AI, the whole kit and caboodle. This is what Y Combinator is looking for. They're looking for software companies that are replacing full functions. They want to put billions of dollars behind that. And so that is an opportunity. And then you have pathway number 4, which is SaaS Platforms, which is SaaS means software as a service. And you're going to self-serve software that customers can use directly. You're going to build it. They're going to log in. They're going to run it. Many of these can become SaaS platforms as well. So you could use 2 different pathways at the same time. I would say if you're on the pathway or if you're looking at pathway number 3, like this video for me, please. If you're looking for pathway number 3, I would definitely start off with pathway number 1, right? Because pathway number 3 is a series of AI agents. Pathway number 1 is building that first AI agent. And you could start off by solving one specific problem with one AI agent. And then you could say, okay, now I see these are more problems. And then you could just build more agents until you have a full stack AI company. So you start pathway number 1, kind of pushing yourself into pathway number 2, and then gradually being a pathway number 3. And then ultimately you could probably pathway number 4, your pathway number 3, but I don't want to get too technical with you. I'm just throwing it out there. So, but these are your 4 building pathways. And we have our Idea to AI 3-day boot camp that's coming up. It's on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. We have mainly online tickets, okay? Because I got to come and push my LA people, but we have mainly online tickets. That's where most people are going to be. I would encourage you to join the online boot camp at this point so that you can start to deliver and create a product. And what we do in this boot camp is just like what you see here. What we're going to do is we're going to figure out what your market lane is. We're going to figure out what building pathway you're going to get into. But the first thing we're going to do is figure out, like, okay, do we need to, like, how do we find something that's specific to you and what you do and what you know?